Imagine Panji Smart City Development Limited, IPSCDL, has announced temporary road closures in central Panji, Phase 3, as part of ongoing infrastructure development under the Smart City mission. Key road stretches in Panji will remain closed for vehicular traffic from 9 February 2025 to 28 February 2025 to facilitate essential roadwork. These roads cover a total length of 1,415 meters, including General Bernardo Guedes Road from Geeta Bakery to Inox, 535 meters, AMG Road from UCO Bank to Vinanti Restaurant, 380 meters, Costa Alvarez Road from Alfred Plaza to DB Road Junction, 200 meters, Road from Tom Liquor Shop to DB Road Junction, 200 meters, to internal lanes between Costa Alvarez Road, 100 meters. Traffic diversions to minimize inconvenience, IPSCDL has issued the following alternate route advisories. Commuters using General Bernardo Guedes Road are advised to take Swami Vivekananda Road and AMG Road via Don Bosco School to reach DB Road. Those traveling on AMG Road can use Swami Vivekananda Road to reach AMG Road near Woodland Showroom before proceeding further. IPSCDL urges all residents and commuters to adhere to the diversions and cooperate during this period.